name is Graham Clifford. The name of my company is Graham Clifford Design, and we are a small design shop that partners with advertising agencies on projects as well as working with clients directly. When I evaluate young talent, I'm looking for enthusiasm. I'm not even looking so much for talent, because I think enthusiasm beats talent. I think enthusiasm will beat talent every time. There's a lot of talented footballers out there, but the ones who keep running with the ball and keep trying to hit the goal score more goals than the talented football players. Show that you have enthusiasm and a love and a passion. That's the most important thing I want to see from a student. Even if their book isn't very good, as long as they know their book isn't very good, but as long as they want to learn and are interested in being immersed in typography, then that is what I look for. I'm not very impressed with what I see, I have to be honest, either from a conceptual point of view or from a craft point of view. Students tend to come and say, oh yeah, but here's the big idea, here's the big idea. It doesn't really seem to be a very big idea, plus it doesn't seem to be crafted very well. So what I would say to students is kind of pick one. And what I would do is learn your craft. First things first, learn your craft. If everything goes to you can always go back and rely on your craft. If you can't come up with a concept and it's 2 o'clock in the morning and you've got a client presentation at 10 o'clock the next morning and you can't come up with a concept, you can always rely on your craft. Spend time with your craft, learn about type, learn about how letters work together, learn about composition. Then, after a few years of working in that area, you can start bringing in more conceptual work. You have to be able to walk before you can run.